Hi guys, good morning everyone. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to all? Can I get the responses? Yeah. So is the screen okay now? Shalini? Good morning everyone guys. So there is a problem in the tool in Zoom. There is a problem in the Zoom. So whenever we are seeing the Zoom screen, then it is flicking like that. But when you see the normal desktop, then it is showing as expected. All right. So today, guys, today I'm going to show you the syllabus. Today, we'll see the complete syllabus in detail. Okay. We will see the complete syllabus in detail. What all the topics we are learning, what concepts, what modules, everything I'll show it to you. And also I'll hand over the syllabus to you. Okay. You will get the recording. You will get the recording. 1 minute. Manoj Kumar, hold on. So I just find out who is the admin for this batch. Okay. Hello.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. ఇది నాది 7:30 బ్యాచ్ అడ్మిన్ ఎవరు?
ఇంకా మాకు క్లారిటీ నాకు తెలియదు సార్, ఇంకా ఎవరు ఇస్తారో తెలియదు.
మళ్ళీ స్టూడెంట్స్ నాకు ఇది రికార్డింగ్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు నిన్న క్లాస్ది ఎట్లా చేయాలి మళ్ళీ?
డెమో వీడియో సార్.
నా డెమో వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ నిన్న అది లింక్ అడుగుతున్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్, వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ లింక్ ఎవరికి అడగాలి మళ్ళీ?
సరే, మేము అడిగినవి పెట్టేస్తాం సార్. డెమో వీడియో పెట్టేస్తాం సార్.
కొంచెం చాట్ లో పెట్టేసి పెట్టేసండి. రైట్, ఓకే,
పెట్టేస్తాం.
రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Okay, guys, I spoke to them. They are going to put the video recording link in the chat itself only. So you will get the video recording link in the chat just in a while. And so you are going to get one admin. Okay, you are going to get one person as an admin. Okay, and he is going to put all the video recordings. Okay, we will get one person as admin for our batch. Okay, and he will put all the video recordings. Okay, fee related. Okay, fee, bank details, etc., everything he'll put it. Everything he'll put it. Okay, fine. Guys, hold on. See, my pattern is how it is, First, I will talk for 30 minutes. First, I'll talk for 30 minutes. Then remaining 30 minutes is your questions and answer sessions. Okay, na? So it is my turn now. It is my turn now. Okay, after 30 minutes, we'll start the question and answer sessions. Then you can ask me all the questions. And please do remember the points what I have covered, the things which I have already answered. Okay. And when I'm answering any question, any answer for any question that is related for all the people, please. Sometimes it happens that one person will ask one question. After 2 minutes, next person will ask the same question. Please don't do like that. Okay, if I'm answering any question, then it is relatable to everyone. Please don't ask repeated questions only. Now, first I will talk for 30 minutes, then we'll take up the question and answer sessions. Okay, guys, fine. Hold on for some time. So today we are going to see the syllabus. Okay, so this is the syllabus we are having. Okay. See, that Databricks, someone has asked me. Yes, we are covering Databricks here. See, Azure Databricks and Apache Spark, we are covering in detail, no need to worry. So this is the syllabus that we are having for this course curriculum. See, absolutely we are starting everything from the scratch. Okay. Guys, here we got the video recordings. See, yesterday's class video recording. Whoever is interested, please save this video recording. Not whoever, everyone, I must say. Everyone, please save this video recording in your laptops so that you can see the classes after the class. You can watch this video recording after the class. Okay, fine. So see here now, as we have promised, course curriculum for Microsoft Azure plus SQL plus Azure Data Engineering. Okay, of course, SQL also we are covering here. Okay, see, understanding different cloud models, average advantages of cloud computing, different cloud services, different cloud vendors in the market. See, guys, you definitely don't know what is cloud services. You definitely don't know different cloud models and all. No need to worry. Don't be panic. Everything we are going to discuss in detail in today's agenda of the class is to go through the syllabus. The agenda of today's class is to go through the syllabus here, please. So if these things are new to you, definitely these things are new to you. You absolutely don't know what is different cloud models and all. Okay, I'm going to explain all this in detail. For today's class, just see the syllabus, what all you are going to learn in this course. And also I'm going to give this syllabus sheet to all of you. This syllabus sheet, you are going to get it. Okay, and then you can have it by yourself also. See, I'm going to put the syllabus sheet in the chat as well. Okay. It's in Naresh IT, Azure Data Engineering. This one. Okay. See, I kept the syllabus sheet in the chat as well. You guys can also download it. You guys can also download this chat sheet. PDF document I have kept. PDF document I have kept in the chat. I request everyone to please download this. Download this. Okay. I have kept it in the chat. Why I have to post it again? One time is not sufficient. You can scroll up. You are not receiving. Okay, fine, fine, fine. No problem, no problem, no problem. Hold on. I'm having 10 solutions. If anything is not working out, I'm having 10 solutions. Hold on. I'll go here. Okay. I'll just delete this. I'll upload the syllabus PDF here. I'm uploading the syllabus PDF. Okay. Now go to this link. Okay, guys, go to this link. Click on this link. Window will get open like this. Right click on the PDF and say download. Just click on the link what I have kept in the chat. And then window will get open like this. Right click on the PDF and say download. Everyone quickly. Everyone quickly. People downloaded? Are you guys downloaded or not? The syllabus PDF, have you downloaded or not? Can I get the responses? I can see 65 students in the class. I need 65 responses, please. Yeah, Samira Datta, thank you. Santosh, good. Mohan, very good, nice. Yeah, please, everyone download it. Everyone download it, please. This is the link. Again, I'm putting the link. Same link again. Okay, everyone, please click on this link. A window will get open like this. Guys, please don't create a copy. For God's sake, don't do these things or else I'll remove the access I'm telling you. Okay, simply download it. Don't do extracurricular activities, please. Okay, I have to get much more responses. What about others? 65 participants are there in the class. I need everyone to download the syllabus of PDF syllabus. What about others? I need the responses, guys. Everyone downloaded? Done? Is anyone is having any problem? Is anyone is facing any challenge, any problem that it is not getting downloaded? Guys, see, I'm here to help you in every possible way. Please be open with me. Don't treat me like your faculty, your sir. Okay, I'm your friend. Okay, if anything that you are not that you are not understanding, please pick it up. Okay, we all came here to learn the thing. So don't be shy. Don't think about others. If I ask this, others will say, how come this person don't know this much also? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Your career, your learning is with you. Okay. So see the syllabus. SI, SI, please see the syllabus. In syllabus, you will come to know what topics we are learning in Databricks. Now, the complete syllabus PDF is there with you. Okay, whatever the questions you are having related to syllabus, every answer is here now in the syllabus sheet, in the syllabus PDF. What about others? I didn't get the 65 responses yet. I didn't get the 65 responses yet. Okay. Is anyone left over who has not downloaded? I think you have joined the class today. Yesterday, I have given my introduction here. For yesterday's class, for yesterday recording, this is the link that you have to go with. Okay. So this is the class of yesterday's. Okay, this is the link for yesterday's class. Okay. May I know how many people have joined the class today? Can you please raise your hand? The person who have joined the class just today, can you please raise the hand? Okay. Okay. 9, 10, 11. Only the people who have joined the class for today. Today, only today. Yesterday, not. Yesterday, the people who have attended the classes, that is fine. The people who have joined the class today for the first time, the people who have joined the class today for the first time, I need, okay, so almost 14, 15% are there who have joined the class just today. Okay, fine, fine, no problem, no problem. See guys, I'll make one thing very clear here. Okay, first 4 to 5 days, first 4 to 5 days, I'll just teach the fundamentals of Azure Data Engineering. Okay. First 4 or 5 days, I'll just teach the fundamentals of Azure Data Engineering only. Okay. Fine. Then we'll start the labs. Then we'll start the labs. I'm not going to start the labs. I'm not going to start the labs immediately because if I start the labs immediately, you might get confused. Because if I start the lab, then you might lose the confidence. Okay. So slowly, okay, I'll take a pickup and I will start the labs, the actual subject and all. Step by step, I am going, guys. So yesterday I have given the details of this course. Yesterday I have given my complete introduction. And today I am showing you the syllabus. Today I'm showing you the syllabus here. See what we are having the syllabus: introduction to cloud computing. Okay, then Microsoft Azure platform, introduction to Azure, Azure cloud computing features. Okay, and then next Azure services for data engineering, introduction of Azure resources, Azure services with examples, Azure management portal, advantages of Azure cloud computing, managing Azure resources with Azure portal, overview of Azure Resource Manager, Azure Management Services, what is resource groups, configurations and management of resource groups for hosting Azure services. These are all coming under Azure platform, cloud platform basically. And guys, here you don't know what is management portal, you don't know what is resource manager, you don't know resources with Azure portal, you don't know what is resource groups. I know very well. Don't be panic. Everything we are going to cover in detail. Today, just see the syllabus, what we are covering. Okay. Next module, we are having introduction to Azure Resource Manager and Cloud Storage Services. Okay. So completed walkthrough of Azure portal with all the features. Azure portal complete walkthrough I'm going to give. What is a complete walkthrough? What do I mean by complete walkthrough here? This is the Azure portal. I'm going to give you the complete, okay, walkthrough of this portal. What are all these services? What is this and what is these features? All these things I'm going to explain you because you are going to work in real-time projects in this cloud portal only. That is what I'm trying to say here. Okay. What is resource groups and why we need resource groups in Azure Cloud Computing Platform to host the resources? What is resources? You don't know. Just hold on. Step by step, we are coming here. We are covering the things. You will come to know after 4 or 5 days of time. You will come to know what is resources, what is resource groups, and all these things. Different types of storage accounts provisioning in cloud computing with different storage services. What is container storage, blob storage service? What is file share storage service? What is table storage service? What is queue storage service? Why to use, how to implement, on what circumstances we have to use. All these things we are going to cover. Detailed explanation and understanding of different blob. See what I'm saying? Detailed explanation and understanding of all these storage services. Creating and managing the data in container storage service with public private access as per the need of project. As per the need of the project. How we can make the data available publicly, privately, and all that stuff that we are going to see. Implementation of snapshots for blob storage services and file share storage service. How we can implement the snapshots for storage services. Generating SAS for different storage service to make the storage content browsable across all the globe or publicly. How we can make the data available globally. Okay, accessible globally to all the people in the world. Okay, once we upload it in the cloud, then how it is going to be, that I'm going to explain you. I'm going to show you practically. We are going to implement it live. What is standard storage account and premium storage account and which to use accordingly as per the real-time scenarios. Okay. Detailed explanation and implementation of data lake storage Gen 2 storage account. Okay, data lake storage Generation 2. Gen 2 means generation 2 storage account to store the unstructured data in cloud storage services. All the features, properties, okay, of Azure storage accounts, maintenance and management of storage keys and connection string for Azure storage service, implementing different level of accesses for our storage account, reader, contributor, owner, etc. Variety of different types of accesses we are having that we are going to cover everything. Migration of storage content across public and private clouds. We are learning here data migration. Okay, we are learning here migration of the data, moving the storage account with storage content across different resource groups based on real-time scenarios. Migrating the data from on-premises to Azure storage. Okay, migrating the data from on-prem to, okay, Azure storage, that is public cloud, means migrating the data from private cloud to public cloud using AZ copy. This is called forward migration. This is called forward migration. We are learning here forward migration. Okay, we are learning reverse migration. Okay, and we are also learning platform migration. Okay, cloud to cloud. See, implementing AZ copy commands to migrate the data. Okay, on-premises to cloud, cloud storage services to on-prem, cloud to cloud. How we can do the migration cloud to cloud. All variety of different types of use cases we are covering accordingly as per the real-time projects, moving the storage account and its content from one resource group to another resource group. This also we are going to see. Replication of storage accounts, authentication, authorization of storage accounts, and Azure Storage Explorer. Okay. Azure Storage Explorer for creating and managing and maintaining of the Azure Storage Services data, installation of Azure Storage Explorer, and what is the purpose of this tool for Azure Storage accounts, generate shared access signature in Azure Storage Explorer, security implementation for storage account content, how we can provide the security, how we can provide the access to storage account content, okay, how we can, handle the storage content with the Azure Storage Explorer. This is one of the softwares we are using. Azure Storage Explorer is softwares we are using here. With that software, how we can manage all these things I'm going to show. Guys, see, many of the things you don't know here, I know very well. Just see the syllabus. Okay, managing of access keys and connection strings of storage account with Azure Storage Explorer, configuration of authentication and authorization for storage account via Azure Active Directory. So we are covering the security with softwares like Azure Storage Explorer and also from directly Azure portal. From Azure portal also. From this portal also, I'll make you learn how we can manage the storage account content and all these things. Hosting file share storage services on top to on-prem servers or cloud servers as shared drive for file share server. Provisioning of SQL databases in private and public cloud. Okay. In private and public cloud. Okay. Fine. Introduction to SQL DBs, creation of new SQL DBs and sample SQL DBs both in on-premises and cloud computing. Okay, planning and deploying of Azure SQL databases, implementing and managing Azure SQL databases, managing Azure SQL databases security. Okay, planning and deployment of SQL database in Azure cloud computing with real-time scenarios, how we can set up the firewall rules, how we can access the SQL database for one particular IP address, all that stuff I'm going to show you here. Okay. Different databases, deployment options, database purchasing model, visualizing of cloud database server, database and validation of data from on-premises, that is private cloud, implementation of firewall security rules on Azure DB servers to access and connect from on-prem to SSMS. SQL migrations. This is different. SQL migration is different and data migration is different. This is different. This is here we are migrating the data from private cloud to public cloud, like files, PDF, etc., etc. Here we are migrating the databases. Please understand, this is different. Okay, this is the database migrations, and this is a data migration. Okay. Next, introduction to SQL Server and SQL queries from basics to advanced level. These are all SQL queries, guys. Okay. select query, listing query, where queries, added not queries, order by queries, insert into. All these are the different SQL queries we are having that we are covering. Next, here we are starting ADF. Next, we are starting ADF. Deep understanding and implementation concepts of a ADF. ADF stands for Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory. What is pipelines? What is activities? What is data sets? What is link services in ADF? All this we are going to learn in detail. Building blocks of Azure Data Factory. What are the building blocks of Azure Data Factory? Triggers, integration, runtime, data flows. Okay. Why we use triggers? What is the purpose of using triggers? What triggers will do for our ADF pipelines? What is integration runtime? All these things I'm going to show you practically, and how to implement, on what scenarios we have to implement, relating with real-time examples. We'll do all the labs. Complete features and walkthrough of Azure Data Factory Studios. Different triggers and their implementation in ADF. What is schedule trigger? What is tumbling windows based trigger? What is event triggers? What is integration runtime and different types of integration runtime in ADF? Okay, Azure SSIS, self-hosted. When to use ADF? Why to use ADF? Different types of ADF pipelines. We are going to cover dynamic pipelines. We are going to design parameterized pipeline. We are going to design automated pipelines also. Different types of pipelines. These are all interview questions also. They will ask in the interview. When I teach the topics, I'll give you the interview tips and tricks also. I'll give you the interview tips and tricks. Pipelines in ADF, different types of activities in ADF, like data movement activity, data transformation activities, data control activities, data sets in Azure Data Factory, link services in ADF. Okay, controls activities of Azure Data Factory for copying the data across various sources to Azure, IaaS, and PaaS services. So how we can transfer the data via ADF to Azure, IaaS, and PaaS services, that we are going to cover. Copying the data from blob storage account to ADL Gen 2 storage account, copying zip file from one storage account to another storage account using ADF, implementation and explanation of metadata control in ADF to find the structure before copying the data. We are doing the validations. We are doing the validations here before we are moving the data. All this, every single concept, every single line, whatever I have mentioned here, it is related to real-time scenarios, guys. I am telling you. As a real-time scenario, what we'll do, all that I have mentioned here in the syllabus. Implementation and explanation of validations and if conditions activities in ADF. What is this controls are doing in ADF? On what circumstances we have to use these controls. Implementation of get metadata control, filter control, and for each control or activities in ADF. See, these are all ADF concepts. See, these are all ADF concepts. Then scheduling triggers for automation of data flow, data copy to various sources and destination in ADF. This is also ADF only. ADF is very big, guys. ADF is very big. These all concepts, okay, see, ADF started here. ADF started here. These all ADF concepts only. This is also all ADF concepts only. Okay. Then this is also all ADF concepts only. Okay. Different concepts. Okay. This is also completely ADF concepts only. Okay. This is all ADF concepts. Now, how to, copy the data from GitHub. Okay. See what I'm saying here? Copying the file from GitHub portal dynamically with the use of dynamic parameters allocation, and that is automation process. We are going to see copying the data from different files formats like CSV, XLSX, TXT, Parquet, JSON, SQL, using the suitable ADF controls and activities, implementation and execution of loading the data from blob storage account to SQL DB, single table and multiple tables. Okay, depends upon the requirement of the project. Sometimes you have to load the data in a single SQL table, and sometimes you have to load the data in multiple tables using copy data activity for each activity in ADF. Okay, executing multiple pipelines in parallel with execute pipelines activity. Okay, scheduling triggers for automation of data flow, data copy to various sources and destinations in ADF. Okay, see, these are all the ADF concepts. Guys, no questions, please. Just hold on. No questions. It is my time now. Okay, fine. After that, I'll take up the questions. What is Azure Key Vault? Purpose of using the Key Vault, storing the storage account keys, connection string in Azure Key Vault with access policies. This also we are covering with ADF only. Okay. See, integrating Azure Data Factory with GitHub Portal. Integrating Azure Data Factory with GitHub Portal. Okay. Data flow transformations in Azure Data Factory. This all ADF only. This complete syllabus is ADF only. Okay. Now, from here, Databricks. From here, Databricks. What is Apache Spark? Detailed explanation and implementation of Apache Spark, illustration and elaboration of Apache Spark architecture, explanation of RDT and DAG, understanding of different Apache Spark components. Okay, what are worker nodes, slave nodes in Azure Databricks cluster? Implementation of Azure Databricks cluster by considering different worker nodes and slave nodes, different features and properties of Azure Databricks cluster. What is single node cluster, multi-node cluster, different features of the Databricks cluster, like, photon acceleration, auto turn-off, auto of Azure Databricks cluster, auto scaling of cluster, configuration, provisioning. All these features I'll explain, and I'll show you how we can deploy a cluster in Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks and Apache Spark clusters features, creating single node and multiple nodes clusters, creation of PySpark notebooks. We are going to write the script in PySpark. Okay, we are having the notebooks in Databricks. All this. Now, next I'm having what? Synapse Analytics. Azure Synapse Analytics. This is all the concepts we are covering in Azure Synapse Analytics. Okay, this is all Synapse Analytics up to here. Then we are having Stream Analytics. Azure Stream Analytics. What is Azure Stream Analytics? Purpose and usage of Stream Analytics, benefits, architecture diagram, understanding and usage of a browse-based Raspberry Pi simulator, how we can fetch the live data, deployment of IoT Hub, Internet of Things, IoT Hub services as an input for Stream Analytics. When you see the stock market board, so how the data is getting generated in stock market? Live data. The data is generating live. In the same way, if you see the cricket match, in cricket match, when the World Cup or T20 World Cup or IPL match is going on, so how the data will get generated live on the spot itself. So that live data, how we can fetch and how we can process and how we can load it into our destination, that we are going to see in Stream Analytics. Many new concepts. These are all the advanced concepts, guys, that we are going to learn in cloud computing. So this is your complete syllabus here that I have shown. Okay. I have given the syllabus sheet to each and everyone in the class. I hope everyone has downloaded the syllabus sheet. I request all of you guys, please see this syllabus, and I'll just cover all these things step by step. Firstly, we are starting absolutely from scratch here. Okay, fine. And all these topics, guys, what all I have written completely, I am going to show you practically. Practically everything you are going to see live. Everything you are going to see live. Okay. So now it's very normal that when you join any course or when you go for a showroom to purchase a car or to purchase a bike, so the sales manager will show you what you are going to get if you purchase this car. In the same way here, I am going to show you, I have handed over to you what you are going to get after you purchase this course. These are all the topics you are going to get. And yesterday's class is also, I have explained very clearly what you are going to get: materials, recordings, question and answer, certification dumps, sample resumes, assignments, okay, POCs, okay, that is kind of a live mini projects. All these things I have explained in yesterday's class. Now, any questions if you are having, apart from the points what I have asked yesterday, and about the syllabus, then you please put me in the chat box. I'll address your questions. Okay, is that clear? SI, I cannot share any of my details. Please log in with your proper name, SI. Okay. So I cannot share any details about mine as per the policy of Naresh IT. Okay. So you can talk to me, okay, over the class here. Whatever is your doubt, if you want to ask about a movie review, okay, I'm absolutely ready for that. Okay. If you want me to come for a movie with you, I'm ready to come even for that also. Okay, fine. So what is the next question? Manas Ranjan Rai. Sir, good morning. You need to connect the charger to your laptop. Yeah, Manas, thank you so much. Thank you, Manas. I have already connected. Prasad, is ADF and Azure Data Lake different? Yes, Prasad, ADF is different. Data Lake is different concepts. Okay, Sri Linga, are we learning, deploying to the different environments with DevOps and version control? And we are learning testing as well because I am ETL tester. I wanted to upgrade my skills in the course. Thank you. No, we are not learning any kind of testing here. Okay. So ADF pipelines testing we are learning, not every concept testing, how to troubleshoot the ADF pipelines, how to test the ADF pipelines, how to improve the performance of ADF pipelines. Okay, that we are going to learn Sri Linga. So if you are already working as ETL tester, then this course is 100% relevant for you. It is going to give you tons of knowledge. And if you are earning 8 to 10 lakhs per annum as an ETL tester, believe me, you are going to earn 25 lakhs easily, 20 plus lakhs easily after you take up this course because you are already in the backend technology side only. Okay. Jaya Vardhan, syllabus looks very good. Thanks, but it is possible to cover all the syllabus in 50 days. Leave it to me. Jaya Vardhan, that is my responsibility. Leave it to me. You don't bother for it. Definitely we can cover it. Gopi 30, will I get interview questions and answers also, sir? Yes, not now. Interview question and answers, definitely you will get Gopi, but not now. Maybe at the end of the classes, after we complete 70-80% syllabus, on that time, I'll give you the interview question and answers, sample resume, certification terms, etc., etc. Santosh K, CI/CD process, will it be covered? No. Why will we cover CI/CD here? CI/CD is DevOps concept. CI/CD is DevOps concepts. We are not covering CI/CD here. Okay. We are covering GitHub. We are covering GitHub, how we can integrate GitHub with our Azure Data Factory and how we can fetch the data from GitHub, how we can create the branches, how we can integrate that all we are covering here. Okay. Ravi K, any data governance concept? Data governance concepts in the sense storage services, I can say here, how you can upload the data, how you can manage the data, how you can have different types of storage services. Okay, so these are all data governance concepts. That is what, as per my understanding, Ravi, that we are covering. Many things are there related to storage services. Before ADF, you can see in the syllabus PDF. Shalini, sir, do you cover basics of Active Directory? Yeah, basics of Active Directory I'm covering, Shalini. How to onboard the users, how to create the groups, and how to give access to different users to different storage services. Okay, how to give access to resource groups, how to add the users in the groups. Okay, how to make the members as active. Okay, how to reset the passwords and all these things. Yeah, basics of Active Directory and not basics, more than basics of Active Directory concepts I'm covering. Yeah. Shravan, yesterday I missed your class. What is the duration of this course? Shravan, the duration of this course is between 45 to 50 days. Okay. So here you can check the yesterday's recording, yesterday's class, Shravan. You will get all the details very nicely. Okay. Okay, Vikas, sir, what scope of job and its field in market? See, it depends upon your knowledge, Vikas, to be honest. If you are completely prepared, if you have done all the labs, every single thing, then there is a huge scope in the market for Azure data engineers. I'll show you the importance of data engineer, why companies are struggling for data engineers, why data engineers are critically important for every project. All these things I'm going to show you in the upcoming classes, guys. Just be regular to classes. One by one, I'm covering all the things. Okay. Are we covering Azure Data Lake here or we need to take separate course for that? Azure Data Lake we are covering here. Sarvesh Sahu, we are covering Azure Data Lake. Please check the syllabus, you will come to know. Shravan Chauhan, which have more jobs opportunities, Azure DevOps or Azure Data Engineers? Okay, so Shravan, depends upon your preparation. Okay, you cannot say hands are not important as compared to legs. Can you say that in your body? In your body, you can say that no, hands are not more important. You take my hands, but give me the legs. Or can you say legs are not that much important? Take my legs, but let the hands be with me. No, it's not like that. So both technologies are important, provided how much you have prepared, provided how much knowledge you are having. Okay, fine. No, Jana Naranjan, Jana Naranjan Pradhan. See, I have told very clearly yesterday that there is no programming required here in Azure data engineering. Mostly we are doing the things here with configuration in real time also the same. Ha, little commands will use, Python commands will use, SQL commands will use that I'll show you. I'll train you. That's not a big deal. Okay, you are not going to write as such something like a programming here. Little commands you will use that I'll train. Janandrajan, I'll train it. No need to worry. Yeah, the classes is Monday to Saturday. Shivangi Singh, the classes is Monday to Saturday. Please see the yesterday's recording. In yesterday's recording, I have told all these things very clearly. What is this, Nikita Anasi? Will you explain difference between Azure SQL database versus Azure SQL MI versus Azure SQL Server on Azure VM? Yeah, I can explain this. Azure SQL database, I can explain. Azure SQL Server on Azure VM. Yeah, I can take up this. I'll explain in the SQL classes, Nikita. No worries. No, data science, Srinivas, we are not covering anything from data science here. We are covering Azure Databricks only. Okay. If you want data science, then you have to join some data science course. This is Azure Data Engineering course. I don't put any false impression here. Okay, whatever it is there, I'm frankly speaking, guys. Okay. Lali Kuda, how about Python? Yeah, we are covering Python scripting. Python commands we are going to learn, Lali Kuda, as per the need of the Azure Data Engineering courses. What are the Python commands is required? Then definitely that I'm covering. No need to worry. Okay. Sir, you will be teaching AZ integration with AD or any monitoring tools like Splunk. No, monitoring tools like Splunk I'm not teaching. I'm going to teach you ADF Azure Monitor. I'm going to teach you ADF Azure monitoring tool. We are having one monitoring tool integrated with ADF that I'm going to teach you guys. Manoj Kumar, Splunk I'm not teaching. Okay, any one monitoring tool, if you know, if you mention in the resume, then that is sufficient. Okay. You, Ramesh, hi Gareth. I am currently working with SQL Developer 5 Plus. It's helpful for to future. Yes, Gareth, Ramesh, this is 100% helpful for you. This course is okay. Yes, Sadas, I have told it yesterday very clearly. After this course, you are going to take two courses, two certifications, DP 203 and AZ 900. You can take it out. Okay, Harsha. Hi, sir. Which one have more opportunities among Azure? See, I have answered this question already. Okay. Yes, Akash, I have told this, ma. Please see the video recordings of yesterday. Please see the video recordings of yesterday. See, our admin is Shubham. Shubham is our admin. Okay. So I request all of you, he has dropped the video of yesterday's class recording. Please go to the video recordings of yesterday's class. Hundreds of your questions will be answered, I'm telling you. Hundreds of your questions will be answered. Please see the video recording yesterday's class. Samira Datta, no, there is nothing common between Azure Data Engineering and Azure DevOps. Both are completely different. Okay. Azure Data Engineering and Azure DevOps are completely different certifications. Not even a single concept is similar. Okay. Fine. Samira Datta, what is this? Also, if we know Azure, will it also be easy for DevOps in future? if I get a job in Azure DevOps. Yeah, little support, little understanding you will build up here, because DevOps engineers are also going to work in this portal, in this cloud portal, and data engineers, Azure data engineers is also going to work in this cloud portal, and Azure DevOps engineers is also going to work on this cloud portal. So little help, little understanding you will build up already in your course. Okay. Guys, please don't ask me the repeated questions. See, guys, see, the people who are asking the questions are 65. 65 people are asking the questions. Correct? Agree, na? Asking the questions. I'm the only one addressing the questions, okay, as fast as possible. Okay. If still I'm missing anyone's questions, okay, then please don't mind. Okay. I'm the only one answering to all 65 people. Please understand. Please understand. Okay. If I didn't answer your question, okay, mark it or put it in a notepad, then ask me again tomorrow. If by any chance I am not answering your question, because there are 65 plus people asking me the questions, so it is difficult for me. If I miss by any chance someone's question, okay, I'll be sorry for that. Please don't mind. Okay, mark your questions, put your questions in a notepad, then ask me again in tomorrow's class, guys. This is what I can tell the best. Okay. No, Lalikuda, AWS similar to Azure? No. The resources, the way of doing the implementation is completely different in AWS and Azure. No similar at all. No. SI, we are covering here all the cloud concepts. Hadoop, HDFS. Okay, these are old technologies wherein we have used this before cloud computing, like in the years 2017, 18, 19. On these years, we have used this, but now we are, using all cloud concepts. All right. All right. So Harsha, Ranuva, sir, hi sir, which one is easy to learn in between Azure Engineering or Azure DevOps? So I'll say Azure. Harsha, I'll give you one suggestion. If you are a fresher, then you go for both the courses, because why? Because I'll tell you, if you mention in your resume, both data engineering and DevOps, that helps you, okay, to get recruited as soon as possible. Because if the company is having opening in any of one technology, then they can hire you. If you are not a fresher, you are already working in some technology, and if that is backend technology, like database developer, database administrator, BI developer, or ETL tester, ETL developer, or Oracle BI developer kind of, then you go for data engineering. If you have worked as ETL tester, then definitely you have to go with Azure data engineering only. Okay. Okay. Santosh, Microsoft Fabric is similar to Azure Data Engineering? No, that is a different services, and Azure Data Engineering is carrying different services, guys. That is different. Okay. What is this, Uma Sankar? Will we get full knowledge of PySpark and Databricks in the course? It depends upon you, Uma Shankar. See, I'm going to show you some labs in PySpark. We are going to use PySpark in Databricks. We are going to use in Synapse Analytics also. I'm going to show you how to write the notebooks, how to write the scripts, how to fetch the data from different source systems in Databricks and all. Now, how much you practice, how much you read the material and all, it depends upon you. Okay. All right. So guys, see, tomorrow we are not having class. Okay. Tomorrow is a weekend. Okay. See, tomorrow is a weekend. Okay. So actually, we'll have classes. Okay. From Monday to Saturday. Okay. Now the demo classes are going on. Nah? The demo classes or free classes are going on. Okay. So normally on free classes or demo classes, okay, we won't keep the classes on Saturday. Okay. So this Saturday, that is tomorrow, we don't have a class. Okay. We'll connect again on Monday. See guys, I'll tell one thing here. No, we are not covering any BI tool. Ganesh Shiva, please check the syllabus. This is not a data science course. This is not data analytics course. Please understand. This is Azure data engineering course. This what you are saying, Power BI and all, this comes into picture after the data engineer completed his work. Here we are using Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Stream Analytics, Azure Storage Services, database migrations, data movements, all these things we are covering. Okay, what you are asking now, this comes in data science courses. Ganesh Shiva. Okay. I have already dropped. I have already given the document of syllabus. I have given 10 minutes time to download also. Adilakish, Adilakshmi, what you are doing when I have given you the syllabus link? Many people have downloaded. See here, hundreds and hundreds of people have downloaded. Everyone has responded me also. See, downloaded, done. Are you guys able to see my screen or not? See, you joined late. Okay. Okay. So this is the link. Okay. Go to this link and download the syllabus sheet. Click on this link. Right click on the PDF and say download. Adilakshmi, Prasad. Okay. Harsha, sir, I have 2.5 years of previous experience. I'm not working now. Is it possible for me to cover both Azure, Google Cloud in next 2 months? Azure and Google Cloud. Or is it more burden on me? Uh, I'll say go for Azure, Harsha. First, go for Azure. Why? Because Azure is having more job opportunities. Azure Cloud is having more job openings in the market as of Google Cloud, I can say. Okay. So our ultimate goal is to get the job, na? So the technology which is having lot of jobs in the market, better learn that technology so that there are highly likely chances for you to get recruited quickly or at an earliest. Okay. So I'll just say that go with Azure Cloud Computing. You can go with Azure Data Engineering and Azure DevOps so that it makes sense. rather than Google Cloud. And Azure certifications is also cheap. In 6, 7 thousand, you can take the certification in Azure. But Google certifications are very costly. Yeah, scripting techniques we are covering now. Scripting we are covering. SQL scripting we are covering. Python scripting we are covering. I am going to train you how we can write the script. I am going to explain you the complete script, what we are writing here and all. Okay. That is I'm working as SAP basis admin. SAP basis admin. I don't think so. This course is relevant for you. That is, what is your total experience? 3 years. 3 years means you are still junior. You are junior only. Yeah, you can learn this, not a problem. Why? Because I learned Azure Data Engineering after 9 years of experience. You're getting my point? I started learning Azure Data Engineering after 9 years of experience. So you are 3 years means you are still very junior. You can learn it. Knowledge will never get wasted, guys. Yeah, see, just check with Naresh IT. Naresh IT is very big institute. Naresh IT will provide assistance in many of the job roles in many of the companies. I have seen many students got recruited from Naresh IT. Yeah, you can check it with Naresh IT, Santosh. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We are not having class tomorrow. Again, just I'm informing. Okay. We'll connect again on Monday. We'll connect on Monday. And Monday, I'll explain the importance of data engineering. Why data engineering is needed. What is the purpose of data engineering? Roles and responsibilities. Why the projects cannot proceed. Okay, without data engineers, the importance and roles and responsibilities of data engineer, I'll explain in Monday's class. Step by step, we'll go, guys. Okay. Yeah, yeah. If you are see, Sarbesh, I have told this yesterday also. If you are already working in any of the backend technologies, then this course is very relevant for you. So you are working in PLSQL developer. So this is backend technology only. 100% this course is relevant for you. If you are working on React JS, Java, Python, or PHP kind of technologies, that is front-end technologies. In that case, you should not take up this course. But yours is backend technology, na? So 100% you can take up this course. This will give you a very good boost to your career. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll connect again on Monday. I hope the class was good. Okay. I hope the syllabus is very likely. Okay. Yeah. Akash, ETL developer is again a backend technology only. You can take up this course. Okay. So how is the classes, guys? How is the demo classes? Are you easy to understand? Is it relatable? Yes or no? Easy to understand, na? Yeah, yeah. See, guys, that is what our intention is. Okay. See, what I'm trying to say, our intention is to give you the knowledge and to ensure that you should be getting a good positions in the company. Okay. So we'll put the things as simple as possible, mostly. Okay. And once we start the labs now, you will definitely enjoy the classes. The classes is like a suspense movie, guys. I'm telling you. Trust me. Very nice technology. This is very nice technology. Okay. I'll give you the tips and tricks also, how to practice and everything. 100% you are going to see that as well. How to practice all the guidance, interview tips, interview question and answers, and how the questions would be asked from the concepts, what questions could be framed in the interviews. When I'll teach the topic, all these tips and tricks of the interviews, I'll give it to you. No worries. Yes, yes, definitely. When I'm doing the real time, when I'm doing the labs, I'll give you the real time scenarios also. No worries. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure from my end also. Okay. Talking to all of you, taking your questions. We'll connect again on Monday. Okay. And we'll discuss the importance of data engineers and, why IT companies are looking for data engineers and how projects can't be developed. No project can be developed without data engineers. This I'll show in Monday's class. Monday's class is going to be very interesting, guys. Very interesting. So please join the class on time. Okay, please be regular to classes, guys. This is the only sincere request that we are having. Please be regular to classes. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. Happy weekend. Happy weekend, everyone.